Hello everyone, you're watching Skillshare, and in this video we will look into some of the domain registers and find which one is better to transact with, or in other words, prefer for. As you know, domain registers are key part for registering websites on behalf of us with ICANN. Registering a domain name is usually a paid service, although you may get some free domains with loads of terms and conditions or as a part of some offer. We will now look into some subsequent year pricing, also known as renewal pricing, and also the Whois privacy feature that some registers offer for free. We will be, for now, not see the payment method as they may vary on region. In this video, we will look into registers, that is GoDaddy, Crazy Domains, Namecheap, Dynadot, BigRock, Google Domains, Hostinger, and Wix. So we will now choose .com as default TLD. And for this video, we'll be using a generic name, rockwellvilla.com. As you can see, it's available for registration. Going to GoDaddy and pasting the domain name. Let's add it to cart. See, the first kind of upsell is this. It automatically takes the domain for 2 years for registration. As here, the registration price is rupees 899 and renewal price is rupees 999. As you can see here, it's full of upsell. Domain privacy is sold on GoDaddy as a feature. Then this website builder is also auto-checked. I don't know whether they will renew it automatically, and this is not asked mail service also. At the end of cart, it will charge me rupees 1060.82 including 18% GST, and renewal at rupees 1178.82 including 18% GST. Now let's move on to Crazy Domains. Pasting the name and searching. Sorta upsell for 10 years, as you can see. Cost rupees 849 for a year. There is no additional taxes to be included, as this is the final price. And they offer another domain name for free for 1 year. Sort of bonus. And the renewal price is also rupees 849, same as registration. Sweet, but no domain privacy bundled along with registration, so it has to be purchased for extra. Let's now go on to Namecheap. This register is known for some good practices in this industry. Searching the domain name, and adding it to cart, you can see it neither bumped up the registration for more than 1 year, nor did it add anything extra. The final price to be paid is rupees 674.51, and it's a kind of deal, but renewal price is expensive at around 966.36. The prices fluctuate a bit as compared to USD and INR. Namecheap provides domain name privacy for free with every registration every time. Now it's Dynadot. They provide a friendly UI user interface which is simple to use. Searching for our domain name, it's priced for rupees 546 for registering and rupees 747 for renewal. No extra tax will be added, and this is the final amount. And yes, no upsell and no irritation. Dynadot bundles domain privacy for free with every registration or renewal every time. It's the cheapest option till now. Let's move on to BigRock. It's very popular in India. They don't provide anything special, but occasionally runs some offers, but nothing special there. Searching our domain name, it's being priced at rupees 799 plus 18% GST for 1 year. First upsell point for that 2-year registration option, and then hitting the checkout, we see another sweet promotion deal, and another one for this domain privacy feature. BigRock doesn't provide this for free. They charge you rupees 499 for that, a whopping 499, and the renewal charges remains same as registration. Time for Google Domain. It deserves praise for its slick and clean UI. Nice. Searching for the domain, we can see it's priced here for rupees 860 per year, and renewals are also same. It's given here that in my country, Google Domain is only available for business and commercial use. I don't know much about that, sorry. Domain privacy is bundled for free, as you can see here, a radio button, which is good, and this auto renewal is also turned on by default. Kind of upsell, but okay. Overall, it's very easy to transact with, and kudos for that. Next up is Hostinger, a popular name in hosting world, and you can see a lot of YouTubers promoting this company. It offers hosting plan at reasonable price, and let's search for our domain name, and it's here. As you can see, it's priced for rupees 602 per year plus 18% GST, which adds up to 725 rupees. There is no promotional banner, no upsells, and no domain privacy feature. Kudos for that first 2 points, but sad that domain privacy feature is not given. You have to pay for that. But other than that, the renewal charges are also a bit expensive at rupees 1170 including GST. So this one is the expensive option. The last one is Wix, which should also be kept as your last option. Searching for our domain name, it will cost you $12.95, which translates to about rupees 970 while making this video. No additional taxes will be added, and this is the final price to be paid. Along with that, Wix will also not give you any domain privacy feature. It has to be purchased, and the UI in admin panel is also not user friendly. Moreover, Wix isn't good even for building websites. If you don't have much knowledge about website development, only then go for Wix. I will discuss more in my subsequent video about this issue. Okay, so here completes the list, but did you observe the web trackers these registrars put into their website? If you did not see, then here it is. GoDaddy wins this competition, and as always, it tracks you from A to Z. And also look at this chart and graph for quick glance. It will be linked below in the description box. Now it's up to you to decide, but if you ask me personally, I'll go with Dynodot. They have a really good UI, simple pricing strategy, and no nonsense upsells. Why take my word? I'll be showing you the same thing in my subsequent video. So that's it for this. I hope this video was of some help to you. See you next time. Bye.